Hi, in front of me I have Oppo Watch 41mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing any of the side buttons, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here let's tap on the settings icon, and settings, let's scroll down and select personalization. Here let's select input methods. Now let's tap on Google Keyboard, tap on languages, and here we need to turn off use system language. To do it, tap on it, and now you can scroll up and down, find the language you want to use, and turn it on by tapping on it. For example, Russian. You can also turn off the English to make the Russian default. Now let's go back to home screen, open the app menu. Here let's find something we can write in, for example, Google Play Store. Tap on search, select the keyboard, and as you can see, the keyboard is in Russian. We can also have multiple languages, so let's go back to settings, personalization, Google Keyboard, languages, and enable, for example, English also, and French. Go back to home screen, open the Google Play Store again, tap search, open keyboard. Now the keyboard is in English, but you can change the language by tapping this globe icon next to the spacebar, like this. Or you can press and hold on spacebar. This menu will appear, and here you can select the language you want to use. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.